Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we got our first DoorDash order of this evening shift. We got $7 for 4 miles on DoorDash. And I just got a Uber Eats order as well. Is this thing on? Cause I can't see nothing. And I just got an Uber Eats order as well. That one is for Hawaiian Bros. It's $7 for 4 miles, and I'm gonna be multi-apping. Hello. Oh, pickup counter over there now. Nice. Yeah. It's just going right down the street this way. So we're gonna drop this one off actually real quick, and then we're gonna head over to Hawaiian Bros. The Hawaiian Bros order came in, let me see, $7.20 for 3.5 miles. And it's keeping me within my bubble, so I love it. We got an estimated time of 18 minutes on this order, but they curbside pickup, and 9 times out of 10, they're gonna have this one ready as I'm doing the drop off. There we go. Get the picture. Boom. And we out. Let's see if we got enough time to check on this Uber order. Ooh, nah, it was a double. I'm good. If that would have been a single order, that would have been great, but that was a double order. For a double order, I need the miles to money ratio to be a little bit higher because it might be extra stuff going on with that order. Like, it said $12 for 4 miles, and that is good miles to money ratio, but I didn't like one of the pickups, and if they had me waiting too long, then it automatically makes it not worth it. So no, I just decided to go ahead and pass on that. But let's go ahead and confirm this DoorDash order though. Maybe this one to go up. Nope. That was $5 tip though, so I knew it was gonna be a good tip on there. I'm cool with that. $5 for a 1 mile delivery, basically. What's this? $15.75 for 12 miles. Woo! I ain't playing no games tonight at Pasta House. It's probably a $10 tip on that order too, but for that mileage, that $10 is not enough. I just got a $5 tip for a 1 mile delivery. You know, so why would I? Nah, I'm good on that. I'm gonna pull over here by these other merchants and see if they wanna bless me with another good order. Cause whoa, look, 12 miles. Who's driving 12 miles to deliver some orders without a $30 guarantee? Cause I ain't. If you doing that, more power to you. But I ain't got that kind of power. Look, and this one came in next, $15.50, 11 miles. Now, I'm gonna explain to you why I know this is it. There ain't no extra on this order. This is it right here. If there was extra on this order with the amount of mileage that they proposing that you drive, they would have showed you at least $23 with that kind of mileage. And even if it said 23, that still wouldn't be enough. Stop. $5.50 for 2.5 miles at Sonic. That ain't a horrible order, but the Sonic over here by my house is notoriously slow. They can have you sitting there waiting for God knows how long. That's the one drive-through place that it gotta be a really good order. It gotta be 3 to 1 miles to money ratio for me to pick up there confidently and be okay with the potential wait time, because it's a high probability of you waiting at least 15 minutes on the order at this Sonic right here. And it's right across the street too, like I'm super close. But no, I would much rather just decline it and keep myself free and available for something else. Now, we had an Uber order, or I thought we did. I thought we accepted it, but I guess we didn't, because when I checked after picking up that DoorDash order, it was nothing right there. So it's all good. That does happen. But hold on, we got something right here on Trip Radar. $10.05 for 15 miles. 2 pickups, crazy. $10.05, 15 miles for 2 pickups. And look, then they got the nerve to send it to me as a regular order. That's absolutely crazy right there. So yeah, and then not only is it 2 pickups, it's 2 separate drop-offs. I thought it was 2 pickups and they both was going to the same customer. No, it's 2 pickups and they going to different customers. That means neither one of them customers tipped. That's crazy right there. I don't know what DoorDash got going on. They just sent me $4 for 2.5 miles. And this order looks so crazy. It looked like a new updated screen or something. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. But this is a no-tip order right here. Another Sonic order. This one's on DoorDash. Last one was on Uber Eats. Either way, that's a decline for me. Yeah, Uber sent me a $4 one too. So it's like all types of orders up there at Sonic. That's how I know. So just sitting right here, I just got 3 different Sonic drive-through orders. And the first one was potentially like a borderline maybe. No, I'm not going over there for nothing less than $10. Now that I know they got this many orders flowed in their system, if it ain't $10, 3 to 1 miles to money ratio, I'm just gonna leave it alone at Sonic. That's my strategy for right now for this next hour. Now we got $5 for 1.7 at McDonald's. That I will take. McDonald's is right here. They a lot quicker. And $5 for 1.7 is way better than $5 for 2.5. All right, we heading over to McDonald's. Head inside. Hopefully they probably got this thing ready too. Let me see, because it's probably like a $2 tip. It says it's gonna be ready in 3 minutes. I can dig it. Did we get him? I missed him. The deer. Damn, that would have been tight. Got it dropped off. Boom, we got that good old picture of that Mickey D's bag at that door. Let's go ahead and confirm that real quick. $5, $3 tip. I digs it. Let's see what come in next. Hopefully one come in real time. Come on, Doordash. Yes, sir. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bruh. That is not what I was looking for. Hold on now. $4 for 3 miles? No, sir. Nah, I don't like that. I'm finna go ahead, drop back down to 9%. It is what it is. Hey, just like that, we got our next order. DoorDash came through. We got $6, 2.3 miles, chick salad chick right around the corner. I love it. This is actually less than 2 miles. DoorDash is kind of jacking up the mileage with the algorithm. I don't know what's going on, but hey, I know how my market is. So even when they mess up on the mileage and their calculations be wrong, I know what orders is still right for my pockets. This is really like $6 for less than a mile because the distance from the merchant to the customer is what I really am calculating, you know, because they got my location wrong or something because ain't no way it's 2 miles on this order. I'm pretty sure of that. But either way, we heading over. We got our next order. We got $12 already. So this one right here, as long as it, you know, if it stays 6, cool. But if it go up, shoot, that's gonna put us close to damn near $20. Let's get it. Chick salad chick. I've been here a few times. Sometimes they be busy, sometimes they have it ready. Let's see what they doing today. Apartment C, that's right there. What the fuck was that? I just heard some shit fucking fall off my car. All right, we'll worry about that later. Let's get this DoorDash order done right now. Boom, and we out. What this order was, $6. It's probably gonna stay 6. Either way, it don't matter. Let's see. Boom. We got our next order already. $8, 1 mile, Uber Eats. I need to hurry up, because look, I done lost too many Uber Eats orders, multi-apping. Oh shit, and then they send me another one, but this looked like some trash though. I see $7, 9 miles. So I'm just gonna go ahead and ignore that and try to make it to this Uber Eats order. So, all right, so we made it. We at Bubba Q's Barbecue. Oh no, I can't read. Bubba Q's Burritos. I ain't never been here before. Ooh, they got a nice little establishment. Black with the green. Let's see. Hopefully they don't got no copyrighted music up in here. Look at them. Look at them. They did this before. I'm doing good. How y'all doing? I never been here before. How y'all new? Oh, okay. Let me see what y'all got going on. Hold on now. Okay. Okay. I like how this looking. Ooh, that's a bad order. We not gonna take that. We picking up for, who am I picking up for? Hold on. Annie O. Look at that. First time here. They got the order ready to go. They got catering boxes. Y'all do catering orders too? Morning? What time? I'll be here.
9. We're gonna start early, but 9:30.
All right, cool, man. I appreciate it. All right. Thanks, guys. Look, Dash and Trader. Yeah, check me out. I do, you know, little DoorDash vlogs and stuff. It's clean up in here. I like this. All right. I'll drop a pin for you. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one. They are nice up in here. Okay. Next order on the tally. We got $9.75 for 8 miles. Oh my goodness, DoorDash. Why you gotta do me like that? You know what? We don't care about no acceptance rate, so it's all good. Boom. We can just decline that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna sit here for a couple more seconds just in case they decide to send me another one. They surely did. $14, 12 miles, Bruh. Too far, 10%. Cool with it. We currently at $18 for this dash. Not bad. Let's see how much more we can make. We got more than $18 though because we running Uber Eats as well. Today we at $19, but we definitely got more than a few tips that still need to get confirmed. Grubhub has sent nothing. We are not delivering to no clowns today. I do not got my clown suit in the back. Bruh. I have no red nose. I mean, I got my no tipper protection. Bruh. But nah, I'm trying to make money, so we ain't doing that. 9%, let's go. Right back down there. Okay. Next up, we got $4.50 for 3.2 miles. And guess what? It's gonna stay right there. Stop playing with me. I don't think that crap. I don't know if this was a good idea for tonight because it is not looking too good. They just sent me like a couple more orders. Let's go over them real quick. Last one we stopped on was, I think, $7.27 for 8.9 miles. And then another upside down order, $8.75 for 10.1 miles. He's $7.44 for 15.6. We got one coming in hot. Let's see what that is real quick. Hold on now. Let me see what we got. Ooh, $7.50 for 6.8. Little Caesar's pizza order. Acceptance rate is going down to 8%. We just gonna be hovering in these single digits. But back to these screenshots though. $4.15 at Wendy's, no sir or ma'am. $6.50 for 5.2. That was the first one that wasn't an upside down offer, but man, 1-to-1 is not good enough for me, especially at dinner time. I'm definitely trying to get 3-to-1 miles money at dinner time. So yeah, this lets me know it's slow out here. Then we got another upside down. This one going like 2 zones down. Absolutely crazy. And then we got that last piece of order I just got, 756.8. So you know what? It is what it is. I think I'm about to go ahead, call it a day or call it a night. We was out here for like a little hour and a half, made a few dollars, did a few orders. It is what it is. But I'm about to go ahead and do me a live stream. Hold on, before I get this live stream going, let's see if we gonna end it good. Nope, $4.10. This is the same Wendy's order, $4.10. Thank you. I ain't even gonna screenshot that. But look, if you made it this far in the video, let me know. Is any of those orders acceptable? 11, 14, 2 pickups for 9 miles? Like, nah, I'm good. It's Tuesday. It's slow. It is what it is. I'll just call it a day. I decline. If you see orders like that, just decline it. Save your energy for another day. Because that's what I'm about to do. Hit that like button and that subscribe button. Stop playing with me.